So this is our room at the Hilton. If I take you through. So we've been upgraded to what is called the king room. I believe it's just simply because the bed is probably king. Look, the bed looks lovely. And then you've just got a small seating area and the little desk with the amenities. So what have we got? We've got some tea, some coffee. Oh, we've got some nice shortbread biscuits. Ooh, yum. Might have to have a try of those. And then we have some still spring water. And then we've got a little fridge down below here, so which is perfect. So if I want any breakfast, milk, or put anything in there, fantastic. Sadly, the views are a little let down. There's not much can really see out here apart from just buildings. So a little disappointed with that. There's no great views of London or anything, but never mind. This one's in Paddington, so we're staying in Hilton Metropole London, I believe it's called, which is near Paddington. So let's have a look at these cupboard space. Sorry about the things in there. So we've got a hairdryer, I believe, up there, and then there's a safe for storing your valuables, and then obviously plenty of hanging. Oh, there's an iron and an ironing board, which is fantastic. And then we've got the bathroom. So let's take a little look inside the bathroom. Okay, so here you've got your light switches and the air conditioning. So at the moment it's a nice comfortable 21 degrees. I don't think I'd want it any hotter or cold. Oh, these are sliding doors. So let's slide the doors. So nice little mirror and a sink. Looks very snazzy. And standard toilet. Towels, standard toilet, and then you've got the shower cubicle. Oh, looks lovely. Nice big size. That's perfect. Right, we're staying here for one night. Tell you how it goes.